Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page on your Stan store. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, in order to create your landing page, you're going to go to My Store. Here, as you can see, you can add a product and there's a lot to choose from. But the landing pages are right there, and the landing pages are to drive your customers to an exclusive product link using a private landing page. So this will be private and hidden from your storefront. Nobody will see it here on your store. You can offer it to a specific group of customers. So once you will click on it, you will see that you have a little bit less of a choice for the landing page. But here's what you can create, like coaching call, digital product, e-course, webinar, custom product, recurring membership, and community. So you can go ahead and create whatever you want. We can go ahead and click on e-course, for example. And here you will need to go ahead and add your image here. The sizing is 1920 pixels times 1080. You can go ahead and create it on, for example, Canva. So on Canva, you would write down 1920 and 1080 and you would create your design here. You can also go ahead and choose an image from here, so you can just search for it. For example, marketing. I'm just going to go ahead and add this one, crop it, and now it should load up. After that, you will need a description. So I'm just going to change it to this one and something like so. Just make sure that you do like in paragraphs, so it would be way easier to read. Here at the bottom, you can change it to something else and purchase here, one-time payment or subscription, and what information you want to go ahead and collect. And then you're going to click next. After that, you will need to go ahead and add your course here. There are modules, and in every module, you can go ahead and add a lesson, as you can see. So you can either add a lesson or add a module, just like so. And after that, you can go ahead and publish it. Now you will have your landing page right there, and you can go ahead and copy your URL right there. Or you can also move it to the store if you want to sell it to everyone and not to the exclusive audience. So that's pretty much it, how you create a landing page. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.